How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here and welcome back to another auto video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to launch your automatic car the quickest and the safest way possible. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that you can like and subscribe to this video for free, but if you could, I'll love you forever. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so there's a lot of things on like, oh, I can't launch my car, it's an automatic, yada yada yada. Well, there's a few ways to do it, but I'm going to show you the one way that people do it that you shouldn't do because it actually can pretty much break your car. The first way is to be in neutral, brake down, you floor it, and then drive and then take off. You don't want to do it that way because, again, your flywheel and it will completely break. Pretty simple. I'm not going to go full in detail with it, but that's why you don't want to do that. So now that we got the wrong way out of the way, I'm going to show you the right way to launch your car in automatic, the safe, and the fastest way. Before we get started, I want to show you something. Foot's on the brake, car's in drive. Pay attention. I'm going to floor it a little bit. There's a max limiter for 2,000 RPMs. It's to save your car, it's like so you don't blow the engine. It's not like a manual where you can do the same thing, floor it, and it'll go to 4,000 RPMs. So this is where it's kind of difficult with an automatic. So what you want to do is you want to put your foot on the brake, floor it, so right about 1,500, and then as soon as you let go of your brake, floor it, and that is the safest and probably the fastest way to launch an automatic car. Again, big SUV, not meant for this, but once in a while, it gets up and goes. For an extra oomph on your takeoff, make sure you turn traction control off. You don't have to, but it helps you because if your wheels do spin, your car will detect it, cut off all acceleration, then you're sitting there at the red light like, crap, I just lost the race, or whatever, I don't know. Whatever you want to do. So, again, if you know your car's not going to do a burnout, but you just want to take off a nice speed, keep it on, but take it off if you just want to burn out. That's you, not on me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's a little weird video, but it helps you guys learn more about cars, and if you guys have a fast car or whatever, there you go. Now you know how to launch an automatic. Nowadays, like for example, the Hellcat or the Demon, they'll have launch control. They'll tell you everything step by step on how to actually launch the automatic. But if you don't have that and you have like a 2006 Mustang GT or something like that, I don't know, for example, there you go, easy way to launch your car. But as always, guys, we'll make sure you leave a like and comment this video if you enjoyed, if you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.